the Pirate Handyman, where we teach you how to become more self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, join the crew. Hit that subscribe button down below, and if you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip drops. So today, what we're going to do is we've got an F63 Sole Treadmill, or sometimes called Sole. I like to use the French. It's made to come apart so you can transport it. It's fairly easy to do, but some of the parts are hidden. So let's show you what to do here. All right, so there's a cowling like this on each side, and we have to take this cowling off. First thing is there's a screw here. So we're going to take this screw out. Now, we've also got a screw up front here, and this is just a binding screw, and I'll show you what I mean by a binding screw here in a second. You just basically have to loosen it, and it comes up. And you can see here that all it's really doing is it's binding this to keep it from moving. All right, so now you're going to take an Allen wrench, or whatever kind of tool you need for this. You can see there's 3 bolts right here, and they come out fairly easy.
99 bottles of rum and we got 99 bottles of rum. Drink it down, don't act like a clown. 98 bottles of rum and we got.
And just set them over to the side. Then we let the cowling back down. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to lift the whole control part up, and you can see the angle. So we're going to pull it back towards us, and we can't pull it back too far because the wires go down this leg here into running the power and all that fun stuff. So we'll just pull it out. Lay it down. Now, here, you can see is where the wires are, and there's a quick release connector right here. So, see this little tab? You just pull this tab up with the end of your finger, and it comes right apart. Now you've got the 2 pieces apart. So now we're gonna take this and set it off to the side, because there's one thing I want to show you that's very important when you're moving this. And this particular one lifts up. So you lift it all the way up to where it locks. You'll notice that it has wheels. Here's the problem. This thing is about 35 inches wide, and most of your doors in the interior of your home are only 30 inches. So you're going to have to tip it on its side. But when you tip it on its side, this is going to want to come apart like this, kind of like a trundle bed without the mattress on it. So what you need to do is get either ratchet straps or even just a good strong rope. You push it up like this, put the rope under here, then let it back down. And then you'll just tie the rope across there. That way, when you turn it on its side, it's not going to come apart. Well, thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman. We hope you dig what we're doing. Hit that subscribe button down below to join the crew, and hit that ship's notification bell so you can be notified every time a new tip drops. There's the smooth sailing.